Welcome to Not Factory Approved. Today I fix a Type 4 Jetta driver's seat that won't latch, and I'll show you why, because I'm sure it's not unique to this one. Here it is, Type 4 Jetta, another problem. Seat won't latch on the driver's side. So that means only I can drive it. My wife can't. The only place it'll stay is in the back. So there is a screw here to undo. I've loosened this one. Well, this is something to do on a semi-warm day. It's freezing temperatures now, but it's not terrible. Hence I'm out here with just a shirt. And then this pops off the bottom, and you pull it out from there, and then you can just have it sit up there for a bit. And then you can see inside here. Inside here, there's a metal catch. And then I will pull that out and see why it's not actuating. Once you get this catch off, note it has a sharp point there that catches in a hole. The other side has it as well, so it's tricky. But you can pry it off with brute force, measured brute force. After you do that, then there's another one. That black one there, plastic. That has to be pushed down, and then it should pull out. So there it is, just extra goopy. So I'll clean it, put it back in, and see if it works. So I cleaned it. I used this stuff, Jigaloo. It's a very thin lubricant. It also cleans as well. So I think I will probably spray some in the hole, because that's bound to be dirty. I can't really get into it. And then hopefully that'll be fixed. I'll show you. I should mention I put it to maximum height first, so I could get in underneath there. Can remove the seat, but there's no real need to unless you feel that's necessary. I will show you how it works. Up with the latch. Trying to move forward with one hand, or no hands. Back one, back two, back all the way, latched. Perfect, beauty. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or even notify, or any of the above, or all of the above. Thank you.